set and ready to race. And their off early lead is taken by Top Notcher from the outside, and by the rail is Mr. Integrity. It's Mr. Integrity in the lead, followed by Top Notcher on the outside, and Bonus Gem running in third. By the rail is Storm Guts. And nearing the far turn, Mr. Integrity by 2.5 lengths, followed by Top Notcher in second, and Bonus Gem running in third. But it's still Mr. Integrity, Top Notcher in second, Bonus Gem, Storm Guts by the rail in fourth, and Miss Manila moving up on the outside. And rounding the far turn, it is still Mr. Integrity in the lead, followed by Top Notcher, and here comes Bonus Gem moving up on the outside, Storm Guts, Miss Manila. And the last bend for home, it is still Mr. Integrity in the lead, followed by Top Notcher on the outside in second, Bonus Gem, Storm Guts, and Miss Manila. And into the home stretch, it is still Mr. Integrity in the lead, followed by Top Notcher on the outside, Bonus Gem on the farther outside is Storm Guts. Into the home stretch and nearing the payoff line, it is still entry number 2, Mr. Integrity. And finally at the payoff line, it's Mr. Integrity, Top Notcher, Bonus Gem, Storm Guts, Queen Elisa, Miss Manila, and Fields of Gold.
Okay, unofficial order for